Okay, so here are the solutions to 3-7 homework. So it says, if you're interested in weight loss, there certainly isn't a shortage of information, diet plans, supplements, and flat out gimmicks available to you. But the simple truth is this: gaining or losing weight ultimately comes down to one thing. If you consume more calories than you burn, you'll gain weight. And if you consume less calories than you burn, you'll lose weight. In this activity, we're going to study some aspects of weight change. Okay, so problem 1 says, Bubba weighed 170 pounds when he started college, and he never really thought about his weight much. Then a funny thing happened. He got a super busy, moderately poor, and started eating a lot of cheap fast food. He also started sleeping less and not drinking enough water. The result, he started gaining weight about 0.4 pounds per month. No biggie, right? We should see, write an equation. Okay, so the equation is y is equal to 0.4 times the number of months plus his initial weight of 170. Okay, and then number 2, I wrote it out. It says, if x represents the month, then y is equal to 0.4x plus 170 represents his weight in pounds that many months after starting college. So question 3 says, if Bubba continues this modest, astounding weight gain, how much will he weigh after 3 years in college? Well, 3 years is 36 months, because remember, x is the number of months, not years. So it's 0.4 times 36 plus 170 gives you 184.4 pounds. How long will it take for Bubba to pass the big 200 at this rate? So it basically wants to know, when is he going to weigh more than 200 pounds? So 200 is the minimum. So 200 is less than 0.4x plus 170. I subtracted 170 from both sides. I got 30. And then I divided by 0.4 to get 75. So it's going to take 75 months. All right. And then it says, draw a graph of your equation, including as an appropriately chosen scale and each axis. So his weight, I counted by 25s going up. Months, I counted by 12 months because that represents a year. The starting weight's 175, which is why there's a dot here. And then we found through doing the math in problem number 3 that after 36 months, he weighed 184.4 pounds. So that's where this point came from, and I plotted on the graph. All you need is 2 points to make a line, and I connected the dot. Make sure you put an arrow. Find the slope of the line. Well, I know here's 1 point, 36, 184.4, and my other point is 0, 175. 170. Sorry, that's a 170 because the starting weight's 170. 0, 170. Subtract the y's, you get 14.4. Subtract the x's, you get 36. Divide, you get 0.4. What does it mean? It means he increases 0.4 pounds every month. Find the y-intercept and explain what it means. It is 170, and that is his starting weight. Okay, you did not need to do numbers 8 and 9. And then here are the answers to the prep skills. When you're solving these equations, it's really important that you know how to do that. Some of these are equations, some of these are inequalities. I have the graph for number 2 is shown down here. It started at 45 and it went down 20 over 1, down 20 over 1. And see me and let me know if you have any questions.